Okay, I missed that.
You missed it?
I missed everything.
Everything?
They said something, then the sound went weird, then suddenly they were already asking another question.
Oh no.
And now my brain is just standing in the rain.
No umbrella, no shoes.
Exactly, and I don't want to say it again.
Say what?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Why not?
Because I already said it once.
Ah, that moment.
That moment where you pretend you understood,
But you didn't.
and now you're hoping the call ends.
If this sounds familiar,
You're definitely not alone.
I'm Jane.
I'm Ben,
And today we're talking about phone calls.
the scary kind.
When you don't hear something clearly
And you need to ask them to repeat it.
without feeling embarrassed.
Before we continue, relax.
Just listen first.
Borrow any lines you like.
You don't need perfect English.
We're using clear, natural English.
Slow and simple.
If you're a strong beginner, that's okay.
You can still follow.
Focus on confidence.
Not catching every word. By the end of this episode,
You'll know how to ask people to repeat things
calmly
politely.
and without feeling small,
We'll also do a calm word tour at the end.
so the phrases stay with you.
Let's talk about why phone calls feel different.
No face,
No body language,
no friendly smile,
just sound,
and sometimes bad sound.
bad signal,
Fast speakers.
background noise,
I once called to book a doctor's appointment.
already stressful.
The person spoke very fast,
Of course.
and then the line cut out.
Oh no.
They came back and said, "So I'll put you down for Thursday at 9.
And you didn't hear Thursday or 9?
I heard something day, something time.
Danger.
But instead of asking again,
You said yes.
I said yes.
Classic.
I showed up on the wrong day.
Oh no.
Different doctor, different building.
That's painful.
All because I didn't want to say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?"
And that's the real problem.
It's not English.
It's the feeling.
You feel slow.
You feel annoying.
You feel like you should understand.
But phone calls are hard for everyone.
Even native speakers.
Exactly.
Let's stay inside the same phone call.
Same customer service line,
Same bad signal.
same bad signal.
Now you have tools.
First thing, it's not your fault.
So don't make it your fault.
Instead of saying, I don't understand,
Say something like,
I'm sorry, the line isn't very clear.
or,
I think the signal is a bit bad.
that feels lighter.
It protects your confidence.
Phone moment.
I'm sorry, the line isn't very clear. Could you repeat that?
Perfect.
Tool 2. Be specific about what you missed.
This one is powerful.
Don't ask for everything again.
Ask for one piece.
For example,
Sorry, did you say Thursday or Friday?
or, could you repeat the time?
That sounds focused.
Not confused.
Tool 3. Use calm, polite starters.
The start of the sentence matters.
Very much.
Some safe starters are,
Sorry.
just to check.
Can I confirm?
These sound professional.
Not weak. Jane's story. I used to say, sorry, sorry, sorry.
Too many sorries.
Yes. Now I say, just to check.
Much calmer.
Tool 4. Ask them to slow down.
This is important. You're allowed to ask. You're not being rude. Try this.
Could you speak a little slower?
Or, sorry, could you say that again slowly?
That's clear.
And respectful.
Tool 5. Repeat back what you heard.
This one builds confidence fast.
Repeat what you think you heard.
For example,
So that's Thursday at 9, right?
if it's wrong,
They'll fix it.
if it's right,
You relax.
let's play the whole call.
Okay.
You're calling to book an appointment.
The signal isn't great.
The agent speaks fast.
Hello, how can I help you?
I'd like to book an appointment, please.
Sure, we have availability on Thursday at 9.
Sorry, the line isn't very clear. Did you say Thursday?
Yes, Thursday at 9.
Just to check, that's 9 in the morning?
Yes.
Great, thank you.
No stress.
No guessing.
No wrong building.
Confidence feels quiet.
Not loud.
Let's try a few together.
Just copy the calm feeling.
Sorry, the line isn't very clear.
Sorry, I'm having a bit of trouble hearing you.
Could you repeat that, please?
Could you say that again slowly?
Just to check, did you say Thursday?
Just to confirm, that's at 9, right?
Thanks for your patience.
Thanks for explaining that again.
Let's review a few useful words.
Slow and easy.
Repeat. Say something again. Example, could you repeat that?
Clear. Easy to hear or understand. Example, the line isn't clear.
Signal. The phone connection. Example, the signal is bad.
Confirm. Check that something is correct. Example, can I confirm the time?
Specific. One clear detail. Example, ask for the time.
Patient. Calm and understanding. Example, thank you for being patient.
Mishear. Hear something the wrong way. Example, I think I misheard that.
Appointment. A planned meeting. Example, I booked an appointment.
This week, try one thing.
On your next phone call,
Ask for repetition once.
calmly.
If you want, write one sentence in the comments.
When I don't hear something, I can say,
Not hearing something is normal.
asking again is confident.
You're allowed to take your time.
Your English is doing fine.
I'm Ben.
I'm Jane.
Thanks for listening.
See you next episode.